legend of the ruler.
Our viewership is falling.
Well...
We're losing huge chunks of our audience. Something has to be done.
Our viewer survey says the most popular topic right now is extreme sports.
Oh?
Audiences want something thrilling, sir.
And live shows get really high ratings.
So we need challenges and excitement in our show. That'll bring the viewers in.
It was a dark night. It was so quiet, and not a single soul could be seen in the parking lot. Suddenly...
Hey, Hairpin, not so loud, okay?
Yeah, he's right. It's scary, you know?
All right, then I'll keep my voice down for you. And then at that moment, there was a groaning noise that could be heard from somewhere, and in a dark corner. Do you want to know what they saw there?
Hey, Spark, I think it's scarier when she lowers her voice like that.
No, it's not.
Then why are you trembling like I am?
In the dark corner, a terrifying face suddenly emerged.
Hey, Spark, you're so scared that you're leaking oil.
Hey, Spark, I didn't know you were such a scaredy cat.
I'm not a scaredy cat.
Oh, come on. We can see your oil leak from here, you know.
#1 in Tire Town. Repairs, maintenance, beauty. Starlight Repair Shop. #1 in Tire Town.
Eh?
Hey, see you later, coward.
I'm not a coward.
Careful not to spill any more oil.
You don't have the guts, kid.
Why is my luck so rotten? I don't want to be disrespected all the time.
Who is the bravest racer around? Who's the brightest star in all of Tire Town?
Huh?
Take part in Tire Town's bravest cars and show them what you're made of.
I'm gonna show everyone. I'm the bravest racer in all of Tire Town. Hey, Meep, if I join that show, no one will call me a wuss anymore.
Yeah, great job, Hairpin. Huh? Is that a drone? Huh?
Huh?
Hey, Spark, why do you have a drone following you around?
I'm participating in Tire Town's bravest cars.
They broadcast that show live on air.
Yeah, I'll show them who's the bravest. I'm gonna be the bravest racer in Tire Town. Isn't that great?
Hey, you know, Spark, maybe you should try not to leak oil live on TV this time.
No way, Bellows.
So you really think you've got what it takes for the show? In that case, I can't watch to see you try.
So what do we have to do to prove that you're the bravest guy around here?
Actually, I've got something in mind.
Beep, beep. What do you need?
Something spicy.
Well,
Not enough.
how about
No?
Oh, really? But that's... but Spark, are you sure about this?
Yeah, I'm sure about it. A real hero isn't afraid of anything.
Wow, he's got guts for sure.
this? So is that spicy enough yet?
It's spicy! I can't anymore! It's too hot!
Hey, Spark, are you all right? Come on, Spark! Don't be afraid!
Of course not! No way, I'm not scared at all. Huh? If you're a real racer, it won't matter what the challenge is. You never get scared. Flying high! Ah! Oh, come on!
The ultimate braking challenge is, after you reach top speed, you've got to brake in the shortest possible time and stop inside the safety zone.
Well, a real racer pushes himself to the limit. This is it!
You're suspected of dangerous driving. Lawbreakers can't drive. Stay where you are. Stop right there.
I'm so sorry. I'm never gonna break the rules again.
Spark!
Flying high!
Show's so funny, isn't it? Is that what you call a real racer?
You didn't break your bumper, did you? When they see what I look like on the training ground, then they'll acknowledge that I am the bravest racer in all of Tire Town.
Look, Spark, you should be careful how you present yourself. There's a drone filming all the time.
What?
Don't embarrass yourself again.
Little baby's got an oil leak.
Shango?
Spark, wait up!
Just you wait, I'll show you. Shango, wait up!
The little baby can't catch me.
Hey!
Hey, let me through.
Huh?
Get out of the way.
Want great discounts? Sprocket assistance? Just call Marshall!
Are you advertising?
Of course I am. It's free advertising. Who wouldn't take it? Tire Town's Bravest Cars has huge ratings. You're a great help for my business.
But that isn't what I want.
Huh?
I'm just trying to prove that I'm no coward. This is...
It's an earthquake!
Hey, out of the way!
Spark! Spark, are you okay? I can't believe there was just an earthquake.
Oh, no.
Huh?
My tires are stuck. Somebody help me.
Huh? Who's that?
Marshall, I think he's hurt in there. Looks like we don't have time to wait. Bellows, the earthquake was strong. You have to get him out of there quick. Get the hook. Wind blaster engine blast off!
Ratings are going up. Awesome.
Somebody come and help me.
Hey, I'm right here.
Spark is so brave.
Bellows, pull! Bellows, put your back into it!
I can't, Spark. He's too heavy for me. Spark, you're so scared that you're leaking oil.
I didn't know you were such a scaredy cat.
You didn't break your bumper, did you? Careful not to spill any more oil.
Hey, coward!
You don't have the guts, kid!
I'm gonna show everyone I'm the bravest racer in all of Tire Town! Here we go! Sprocket! And now you see, bravery's in my nature, isn't it?
Spark, you're sending our ratings off the charts.
And now everybody knows that I'm the bravest racer in all of Tire Town.
And next up, Tire Town's bravest racer, Spark, will be receiving a special prize.
How exciting. You better not get too cocky, kid. Just wait until you see the racetrack and then you'll know what real fear is. That's gonna be a really great episode.
the clouds, a flash of light that brightens the sky. Clouds will then meet again, flowing rains that come and go. Take this journey of light with me. With you I need not be alone. We carry each other, dreaming together. I'll never lose my way to you. Take this journey